This is an electric Mini, although it doesn't look like it, it just looks like a Mini. Mini company is announcing that they're going all electric. Different dates for every different company. Mini's date for going all electric is 2030. But get your mind out of electric just being economical and environmentally friendly, because electric can be full of thrills. I spent the day in Palm Springs finding out what full of thrills really means.
If you've never done an autocross before in a gas car, it's well worth your time. Quite simply, it's a coned-off course in a parking lot of curves and turns that takes a skilled driver somewhere around 60 seconds to complete, and the person who completes it without knocking over any of the cones in the lowest time wins. Mike Payton is the president of Mini USA.
Mini's always been about fun to drive. Electric adds just that much more to it. It's a completely different experience, but absolutely 100% Mini.
Mini has a strong racing heritage. This year they ended the race season on a high note at the Indianapolis Motor Speedway with 2 first-place finishes. With that degree of performance from a gas car, we expect some great things from electric. Pat McKenna is head of Mini marketing.
We're thrilled with what we see so far in the Mini Cooper SE. So it's the electrified Mini hardtop that everyone knows and loves. And what we're seeing here in this autocross is because it has a lower center of gravity, it's the perfect go-kart to be out on the track. And we're also seeing steady sales increases over the last year and a half, continued pre-orders on this car. You know, there's just even building interest in the car. So it's been a great year and a half. And as we look forward, we definitely see increasing volumes on this particular car and other possibilities in the future.
One thing that makes Mini so fun to drive is the go-kart-like handling. With wheels in each corner, it's like being a kid again and having incredible maneuverability, something I miss driving big SUVs. The electric Mini or the Mini SE might be even more fun to drive than a regular Mini.
I would say that some people would even say, compared to even a Cooper S, the Mini Electric may be more fun in an autocross. Just the weighting of the vehicle, the performance, the instant torque is incredible.
We had a drone up to follow the cars doing the autocross, and we went so fast that the automatic follow feature on our drone couldn't keep up because on the course we were going so fast and weren't supposed to exceed 30 miles an hour. The drone was outsmarted. Mini has reported that they will go all electric by early 2030s, so what's next?
So when we think about electrification, definitely you're thinking Countryman would be the next logical step for that.
Although electrification brings many new challenges with it that may be difficult to solve, when it comes to Mini, they have one thing mastered already. They have fun to drive when it's electrified.
I'm Nick Myers.